Thanks for coming and sorry for waiting that long. And thanks Stefan for inviting me to the festival. I want to explain a little bit what I will do and what this performance actually is. So it's not just a performance, for me it's kind of a concept where I'm trying to combine body in a not a very traditional way to use it as some kind of input and data for sound performance. And what I will do today is actually kind of just a work in progress demonstration of the system, and it's called Reading My Body. And especially for this performance, I made a tattoo on my left hand and the device that I'm holding in my hands, which is kind of a robotic prosthetic machine that I'm attached to my body to read this tattoo as a sound score, I could say, actually just as triggers for complicated system of synthesis. And I could control many different things with this system. It could be also visuals, it could be even some other robotic stuff. But for me, the most important and I could say the most poetic idea of how I can use it is to attach it to some kind of sound synthesis. So I could, since my background is and my roots are coming from experimental electronic music scene, and I'm performing a lot on the stage with my own DIY devices, which I made by myself, that are synthesizers, different controllers, even video stuff. So it was, this is why I'm actually, the main idea is to use it with sound. So actually, technically, it's a very simple device, which could be looked a bit more complicated than it is. I have just two black line sensors, which are detecting black and white stripes on my hand. So there are actually no white stripes because my skin is white. I mean, it's very bright and contrast to black ink. And the sensors are detecting if they are over black or over white surface. So by moving by the motor, which is with the motor, which is which this machine has, it's moved by itself. I mean, the special reading device. So I just I can pre-program it so it could do something by itself, or I can control direction and the speed of how it works. So I don't need to do anything on the stage except just waiting until the robot will move front and forward, front and backward, forward and backward. So okay, I think I should stop talking because it's too boring. So I will play kind of a 15-20 minutes long ambient composition, which will be fully controlled by my hand. Maybe I will add a little bit of changes with my hands from my synthesizer just to make it a bit more listenable. And yeah, that's it. And thanks for waiting and for coming today. Yeah, I will begin. I don't know if it's too far for someone. They could sit in front because we have so many empty spaces.